last but certainly not least, the Cable Advocacy Award, sponsored by Baker McKenzie. The Cable Advocacy Award is intended to honor advocates who exemplify the finest traditions of advocacy in representing members of our society whose cause may be politically or socially unpopular or against the mainstream, and who may make a substantial contribution to achieving the goal of social justice by championing the rights and liberties of the foundation of democracy. We are very pleased to recognize Andrew Leroy Rudder for this award. The person who nominated Andrew for this award wrote, "I first became aware of Andrew Rudder and Rudder Law Professional Corporation when I read in the Law Times about the incredible legal result he achieved on behalf of his client, a 17-year-old Indigenous single mother of a severely disabled son. Mr. Rudder's client sustained a catastrophic spinal cord and head injury in a car accident on the Six Nations Reserve in Hagersville, when the car in which she traveled went off the ditch, rolling several times. He challenged the insurer's denial of the client's claim of catastrophic impairment under the statutory accidents benefit schedule on the grounds that she had not been admitted to one of the list of 12 predetermined public hospitals included in the 2016 Catastrophic Impairment Public Hospitals Guideline, despite x-rays confirming internal damage and bleeding in the skull and brain. His client had also sustained elbow, hand, and spine injuries, which took priority and were therefore treated first by orthopedic surgeons at a hospital that had not made the list, even though it was a level 1 trauma center. Because the surgeons admitted Mr. Rudder's client to the surgical trauma center to deal with her limb and spinal injuries, her case fell outside the guidelines. Although Andrew was successful in getting the denial reversed, resulting in a $1 million settlement, by doing a thorough historical analysis of the evolution of the catastrophic impairment designation, including interviewing members of the expert medical panel that the Ministry of Finance had consulted on catastrophic impairment, he went further by working to get a change to the guidelines themselves on this designation. Successfully, he was able to get the guidelines amended to recognize admission to any lead trauma or level 1 facility as satisfying the catastrophic impairment criteria. This and other efforts to represent underserved communities are the ways in which Andrew champions the rights and liberties of those he serves. He is most deserving of the Cable Advocacy Award, and I'd like to congratulate Andrew Leroy Rudder. Thank you. And under my